में कॉमर्स मिनिस्टर पीयूष गोयल बोल रहे हैं, सीधा आपको ले चलते हैं वहां पर।
From 5th April 2025, the additional duty on India was announced at 26%, including baseline tariff of 10%. Originally, the full country-specific additional duty was to be effective from 9th April 2025, but was postponed initially for 90 days on 10th April 2025 and further extended up to 1st August 2025. Honorable Chairman, sir, India and the US entered into negotiations for a fair, balanced and mutually beneficial bilateral trade agreement in March 2025 with a target to complete the first tranche of the agreement by fall of 2025. The two sides finalized the detailed terms of reference to enter into negotiations of the BTA on 29th March 2025 during the first physical round of discussions held at New Delhi. Thereafter, 4 physical rounds of negotiations have taken place between both sides in New Delhi and Washington, D.C. to work towards finalization of the BTA in accordance with the agreed terms of reference. In addition, there have been many virtual meetings between the two sides. Mr. Chairman, sir, the implications of the recent development are being examined by the government. The Ministry of Commerce and Industry is engaged with all stakeholders, including exporters and industry, for taking feedback of their assessment of the situation. The government attaches the utmost importance to protecting and promoting the welfare of our farmers, workers, entrepreneurs, exporters, MSMEs, and all sections of industry. We will take all necessary steps to secure and advance our national interest. Mr. Chairman, sir, in just over a decade, India has rapidly transformed from being one of the fragile 5 to the fastest growing major economy in the world. We have risen from the 11th largest economy to one of the top 5 economies, driven by our reforms, hard work of our farmers, MSMEs, and entrepreneurs. It is also widely expected that we will become the 3rd largest economy in a few years. Today, international institutions and economists see India as the bright spot in the global economy. India is contributing to almost 16% of global growth. Mr. Chairman, sir, in the last decade, the government has taken transformative measures to promote India as the manufacturing hub of the world, driven by the Make in India initiative. India's young, skilled, and talented workforce is driving innovation and competitiveness of Indian industry. Our exports have steadily increased during the last 11 years. In an increasingly protectionist world, India has done mutually beneficial trade agreements with UAE, UK, Australia, and EFTA countries. We are also committed to similar trade agreements with other countries. We are consistently working for the welfare of the farmers and Indian agriculture to promote prosperity and ensure food security.
Dola ji, I warn you. Please come out. Please. Dola ji, please. Dola ji, बाहर हो वहाँ से. Dola ji, don't disturb. Please. Don't disturb. Please.
The government is confident that we will continue our fast-paced journey of inclusive growth and sustainable development towards the goal of Viksit Bharat 2047.